This is one of my most favorite kitchen gadget things. It's a bacon cooker for the microwave. Simply add the bacon, put the lid on, it has room to breathe. Put it in the microwave. Set the right time. I'm gonna do that's not a statement, that's just the perfect amount of time to cook my bacon. See it spinning around in there? While that cooks, I will cut up an avocado. It's a tiny one. And I will heat up a pan. I know this seems like a lot, but I want it to get hot quick. I'm gonna heat these up for like 10 seconds. Quick ingredient list. Take the bacon out, see if it cooked properly. It did. I like to pat them dry. So, throw 3 on there. All right, it's plenty hot. I don't know if you can see that. I just wait for the steam to show up on the sides before flipping it over. And the lazy way, because I don't want to wash a bunch of dishes, I flip it over with whatever I use to cut my avocado. Sometimes a spoon. It whacks. I'm adding my fake cheese. Boom. 1 piece of bacon. Lettuce. I cheated. I used some butter lettuce in a bag. And then some avocado. Sometimes if I want a little more flavor, I'll add this to the avocado. And when I say this, I mean onion salt. Then I repeat it for however many pieces of bacon I have. Number 2, turn it off when I'm working on 3rd. Boom, there's number 3. This is my favorite thing to eat for breakfast on my autoimmune protocol diet. And it's super easy to clean up because all I have to do is put this in the sink or dishwasher. To prove it's easy, I'll even show you. I need to do dishes, so don't judge me. But judge me if you must. This I set aside and let the fat coagulate. Everything else I just need to put away. It takes me about 15 minutes to make that for breakfast. Beautiful.